Tiny reviewer. Today I'll be reviewing and drinking, this time seriously, really drinking, Nesquik banana flavored milk. Well, this is powder, but you mix it with milk and then you get banana milk. So wake up your milk. Banana flavored. The name is Nesquik. Sure I'm pronouncing it correctly. The nutrition facts are here. Ingredients are actually right here. You can make about 33 glasses, so it depends on what type of glass you're using. So I'm gonna do it along so I don't get confused. Now let's see how to open it, because I can't get the Nesquik if I can't open this thing. Oh. Okay. So it looks like there's a wrapper inside here. So also in one packet, and Amazon if you buy it, it's about $15 to $20, and in one package comes 2 of these. Almost done. But first I think I'm really eating a banana. Not my favorite fruit, but I do like banana milk. I don't like bananas though. I do like frozen banana. Try that out. I want to eat it quickly just with the powder. Okay, anyways, so what is the instructions? Take 2 level teaspoon of Nesquik and 200 milliliter cold semi-skimmed milk. So this is perfect. So this is 1 teaspoon. So I'm gonna have to do 2 of these in order to make 2 teaspoons. So let's first do it. A tip: scoop it. Use this end, or if you can't do that, use your finger to slightly do like that in order to get an exact 2 teaspoons. Very soft. So in you go. Sorry. There you go. So see this little smoky stuff. Not hot, it's cold, but the powder, so that's it for the powder right now. So I'm gonna be tasting it, but if it's yummy, I'm gonna give some to my mother and father to taste. So now it says, what is the instruction? I keep it forgetting. And add 200 milliliters of cold semi-skimmed milk. So this is not 200 milliliter, guys. I'm gonna make a paste with it. So I have my whisk, so I'm gonna have to do it out of camera. This is not really a paste, it's kind of watery still. So it's not really a paste, but this is about it. So now I'm gonna move out, and I'm probably gonna pour a bit more milk because I cannot pour it. As you can see with the batons, I literally spilled it. So up we go. Up. So this is what, sorry, can you give me a napkin, guys? Okay, there you go. I like cleaning out. So this is what the finished thing will look like. I was gonna drink it right from the cup, but I need a cup to really eat it. So let me first smell it. Perfect for breakfast, guys. I'm gonna pour it in the glass. So, here's what I look. Can you give me the napkin? I need it again. Little spots of wetness. I'm very uncomfortable with it. So that's what it looks like. Not a lot. But this is, let's say this is a glass. If I use all that powder, I'll make about 33 of them. First drink it. It's delicious. I'm not sure if the recipe is correct, but I would prefer to add a bit more powder because I taste more of a milk than a banana milk. So why not just add it? I mean, it's okay. I hope it's okay. I just have to stir it. The whisk, it's still right next to me. So this is both to 1 tablespoon, so I'm gonna use this time, this side this time. A little more of a narrow one, but it's the same thing. In. So I'm gonna add not a half teaspoon, but almost a half teaspoon. I like sweet stuff. So in you go. That's it for you guys. Now I'm gonna stir with the other end, the small end. Now let me put the whisk on a napkin that's next to me so I don't get drops everywhere. Now I'm gonna taste it again. That's way better. That's more of a banana milk than a milk. So this is perfect for you guys, especially kids who love milk but want flavored milk. All I have to do is stir some powder inside, how much you want that is right for your taste. I prefer this much. So it looks like I did about, so it was supposed to be about 2 teaspoons. So I did about like 3 teaspoons and a half, about that much. So I believe you guys who like sweets will be about 4 teaspoons would be perfect for you guys. Don't eat too much or you might get a cavity, which is not good for your teeth. But that's it for the day. Subscribe and press the like button. I will see you guys soon. Bye! need a little refresher. Nice. Add ice cubes if you prefer, but then you have to make a bit more sweeter than usual because the ice is water frozen. So water will not taste good with the milk that is not so flavorful. So add lots of sweetness and then add ice cubes if you prefer for the summer. Bye!